All right, so let's take a look at the Razer Kunai Chroma aRGB hydraulic case fan or fans. All right, so here they're both 120 millimeter. This is a 3-pack and this is a single pack. So I'll be installing these in the Razer Tomahawk ATX case. This will be my exhaust case fan, and this will be the front intake fan. So I'm gonna crack them both open. We'll take a look and then we'll check it out. This is a single fan, 120 millimeters. Let's take a look at what's inside the box. And I will say this is just gonna be a classic unboxing. I'm just gonna unbox it and take a look at it. I am building a desktop, but we'll show that in a later video. But for now, we're just gonna be unboxing this. All right, so it has the Razer peel-off tape, which doesn't work very well. I was actually commenting on this on a recent Mash IT video.
Hi, this is David at Mash IT.
Razer's easy peel-off tape doesn't peel off easily. So obviously you can use this anywhere that takes a 120 millimeter fan, but I am going to put it, and I did purchase the Razer Tomahawk ATX case, and I'm gonna put this in the back of the fan, like the exhaust portion of the fan. So in the box, of course, we got standard Razer paperwork. Very nice packaging, cardboard box, of course. This black cushiony paper. So there's the fan. You can see they move nice and smoothly. There's the Razer logo there in the middle. On the back, has the manufacture date. It says 21/10/30. So is it made in 2021? Is that how old this thing is? This is January 2023, February 2023 now. All right, on the back, we have a lot of cords. So you have one braided cable, like the standard Razer braiding, and this kind of plug here. And then 2 non-braided cables, this kind of plug in. In case you're wondering, of course, there are Razer stickers here. Oh, there's a little diagram, kind of tells you how to do it. It does come with anti-vibration rubber screws or just normal mounting screws. All right, so this one is the 4-pin PWM connector. It has the female 3-pin aRGB connector and the 3-pin ARG male connector. So the female would go to your PWM controller or motherboard, and then the male one would be if you want to daisy chain a couple fans together. All right, and one thing that I was really interested to see is if it had RGB on both sides, and I believe it does. So that looks like it here. And then of course the front definitely has it. I didn't know if the back had it, because obviously it depends which way you want to place it, if you want the intake or exhaust essentially. But there we are. All right, here's the Razer Kunai Chroma aRGB hydraulic case fans, the 3-pack 120 millimeter fans. They do also sell a larger size, but for my use case, these were gonna be the ones I was gonna use. So let's crack them open, take a look. Part of me wondered if it's just gonna be 3 of the single fans in here, or if it's anything different because they're a 3-pack. So let's find out. So it is very much just the same as the other one. Like this is the 3-pack, is just 3 of those in there. Here's the single pack that I've already opened. I mean, it's clearly the exact same thing. Which, I mean, I assumed it was gonna be, but I didn't know if there'd be any slight variation or not, but it appears not. It's just a slightly different packaging. Well, maybe this is the same packaging, really. Anyhow, so this one looks a little gunky up here. Manufacture date. So this is made in January 7th, 2022, which is funny because it is February 4th, 2023. The other one was made 2021. Let's see if all 3 of them have the same date or not. Yeah, these are all made the same day, I guess. So just like the other single one, this cord expands. It's all bundled up here. We have the PWM controller, and then the female aRGB controller and the male aRGB connection. So the female would plug them to your board, and this would daisy chain them if you want. All right, and so we come with a booklet, which is, yeah, this is the same booklet that comes with the single fan. So that's interesting. So it does come with anti-vibration screws and regular mounting screws. Comes with 3 different packs. So that's nice. All right, so yeah, there they are, just 3 little fan boys. All right, so there they are. Here are the 3 fans in the 3-fan kit. They're all pretty much the same as the single one, but I have a follow-up video where I go in a lot more detail, but this is just an unboxing. All right, thanks.